Hi, this is Pavitra, health consultant. Welcome to my channel Health Support 360. Do consider subscribing my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about yet another immune boosting superfood, aloe vera. Incorporating these superfoods in our diets helps us to prevent disease and preserve health. The main motto of Eastern philosophy of medicine is Swastasya Swastarakshanam, which means preserve the health of the healthy. The inner gel part of the aloe vera plant has compounds called anthraquinones, which increases the water content in the large intestine and increases the mucus secretion in our intestines and promotes natural intestinal peristaltic movement. Due to this laxative effect, people with constipation and bowel disorder can take aloe vera juice, say about 10 ml every single day early in the morning in empty stomach throughout hot summer days. Aloe vera has hormones like auxins, which speeds up the healing process by cellular regeneration. Hence, it works wonders in dermatological conditions like dermatitis and psoriasis. Aloe vera gel can be applied directly on the skin and face. It clears up acne, heals blisters, cuts, and wounds. It acts as a natural sun protection formula. It helps in tanning and it can be used even in sunburns. So if you're going out in a hot summer day, you can either apply aloe vera gel and go out, or after coming back home, you can apply aloe vera gel on your face, neck, and hands. Aloe vera contains enzymes like alkaline phosphatase, catalase, and lipase, which breaks the sugars and fats in our food. It heals and soothes our stomach and the intestinal walls. It helps in digestion. Hence, it reduces the conditions like acid reflux, flatulence, and chronic gastritis. It also helps in conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and ulcerative colitis. Aloe vera rejuvenates and restores the stomach lining and intestinal lining. So, aloe vera juice can be taken 1 hour before meals twice daily in bowel disorders. Recent studies shows that aloe vera, when ingested continuously for 6 weeks, has huge impact on blood glucose and serum triglyceride concentration. Aloe vera can even reduce the diabetic complications like neuropathic pain. The total cholesterol production by the liver is reduced by ingesting aloe vera. So people who have higher total cholesterol can take aloe vera in their diet. There's a lot of evidence showing that low grade chronic inflammation is the root cause for many autoimmune diseases. The aloe vera, which is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which acts as a powerful antioxidant, naturally slows down the free radical damage and preserves health and slows down aging. The aloe compound of anthraquinone in aloe vera has anti-cancerous properties. It suppresses cell proliferation and inhibits angiogenesis and hence suppresses the incidence of tumors almost by half. Now that we have learned about the benefits and uses of aloe vera, in part 2, I've shown you 2 interesting recipes in aloe vera. Please do watch that part 2 video, recipe video, and reap the maximum benefits and learn how to incorporate aloe vera in your daily diet. How about giving a thumbs up to this video and sharing with your friends and family? Leave your suggestions and feedback in the comment section below. If you want to book an online appointment with us, visit our website www.healthsupport360.com. Thank you for watching. See you soon.